Hello everyone, this is Ruby. Today I am going to show you part 3 of this beautiful bee. I'll show you how to make the remaining parts of the bee. In part 2, I showed you how to attach the head and the body together. Now in the part 3, I will complete the rest of the project. You can see that. And if you let me know in the comments which country you are watching my video, I would be very happy to know that. I'm using 3mm crochet hook for this project. Now let's get started. First of all, I'll make the wings of the bee. To make the wings, I'll start by making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 chain total. And now on the second chain, I'll start to make one single stitch, then in the next one single stitch, and then one single stitch, total 3 single stitch in the 3 stitches. And now I'll make one half double crochet on next stitch, and then I'll make 5 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the last chain, I'll make 6 double crochet in the same stitch. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total 6 double crochet is complete. Now I'll make again 5 double crochet on 5 stitches. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done, and in the next stitch I'll make a half double crochet. You can see that. And I'll make 3 single stitch on 3 stitches. You can see that 1, 2, and 3 single stitch. Finally, I'll make a slip stitch.
Let's bring the blankets here.
And now I'll cut the yarn with the chain 1. It's finished. One wings is complete. I'll make another one on the same way. You can see that I'm just making a slip stitch, and don't cut the yarn. Place the 2 wings together with the wrong side facing each other and the right side facing outward. You can see that how I am doing that. And now I'll join them by working around edge. You can see I'm just making one slip stitch, and now I'm just doing one single stitch with 2 wings, and then on the next stitch I'll make 2 single stitch, 1 and 2 on the same, and then again 1 single stitch, and then 2 single stitch. Repeat this pattern around the wings. You can see that joining 2 wings together makes the wings stronger and helps it keeps straight. Okay, now this is the soft toy for children. I prefer to make it soft and avoid using any stiff material inside. So instead of adding anything hard, I am using 2 crochet wings together to give the wing a little more strength while keeping it soft and child friendly. You can see that it's very straight. Now I'll make the bees 2 antenna. For the antenna, I'll make a magic ring, leaving slightly long yarn tail. You can see that. Inside the ring, chain 1 single stitch, 2 single stitch, 3 and 4 single stitch total. Now pull the long yarn tail and close the magic ring and do a slip stitch to join the round. And now I'll just wrap the tail yarn and make a single stitch and 2 single stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then I'll fasten off and hide the yarn tail. You can see that. I'll make 2 antennae in the same way with black yarn. You can see that our bees antenna are ready. Now I'll attach the wings of the back of the bee using yarn needle. You can see that. I'll position 2 wings at the back just like I am showing to you and sew them securely with small and neat stitches. You can see that I'm just stitching with my needle. I'm attaching the second wings on the same way. You can see. The wings are ready now. And next I will add the safety eyes. I have marked the eyes position with a pen so that it's easier to place them evenly. You can see I am just placing one eye and then another. I'll insert the safety eyes which look like small screws. If you don't have safety eyes, you can simply embroider round eyes using black yarn. Now I will attach the antenna to the top of the head. Using the same black yarn, I will also add a few small stitches around eyes. You can see to make the eyes look a little bigger and more realistic. So in the same way, I have done another antenna and dies. You can see it's finished. And now I'll use white yarn to add a few small stitches around the eyes. This gives the eyes a cute finished look. Once the eyes are finished, I will take all the yarn ends of the bag, tie them securely, and hide the remaining yarn inside the bee. Okay? Next, I will use red yarn with the yarn needle to embroider the bee's mouth. You can see that the middle of the eyes, I am just embroidered the bee's mouth. It's finished. If you want to use it as a soft toy for children, you can leave it as it is. But if you had like to use it as a keychain or back charm, you can add a hanging loop. For the hanging loop, I'll make 60 chain total. And now I will add the hanging loop of the back side of the bee with the needle. You can see that how I am doing that. I'm just attach with the needle yarn. You can also add a small leaf or 5-petal flowers to the back side of the bee. This will help cover the stitches and make the finished look. Okay, I am using a heart shape applique to cover the back side of the bee. I'm just using hot glue to attach this. The bee is ready. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. Let me know in the comment how you liked my bee. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and stay with me for more crochet tutorial. So bye for today. See you in a new tutorial. Bye bye. Take care. Tada.